Hello, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back actually with a really good trade with Tesla. So today I traded Tesla for the first time. It's short because I've been just taking long Tesla, but I like what I said in my previous videos. Tesla needs to consolidate um, before it even goes to 200 if it wants to go to 200. My plan actually today was actually to trade short below 192s and go all the way to 186 areas here to close this gap. That's actually kind of what I wanted to do because it was kind of obvious that it was selling off after this runoff here. Someone's actually just selling off around this area here, and then they're kind of actually winning. So before it even go to 200. If it's going to 200, it needs to consolidate or probably close this gap and then bounce at this 185, 184 level, if maybe, or maybe just at this 186, and then consolidate a few days and shoot up again and take this highs of 200, 200 level. Yeah, so I have this 192 here. Can't remember. I had this level even before, but looking at Finviz, it's kind of obvious in Finviz. Let me show you if I can. Second. Yeah, you can see it. Can you see it? Yeah, you can probably see Tesla. So I have this 192 level here. Um, where did I get this? Let's probably go to, there you go. So this 192 here, the previous level that I have that I really like, it was previously a support. Now I use it as resistance to take a short trade, and then it was previously a resistance here in this area. So it was a support. It was always a support at this area here. As you can see, it's having a hard time. This area is a good consolidation before even breaks 200. That's why it's not breaking 200 because it needs more longs or buyers to hold this 186 here before it even shoots up to 200. Because what if whoever took a big size here, they probably had taken profit somewhere here already in terms of risk reward. They're probably risking this low here. Um, if they started because if you look at this is somewhere in the middle of this range here. This is like somewhere in the middle. So it's if you look at the Fibonacci retracement, you will see a good percentage graph in there. So yeah, so I was confident to short it, but I know my risk. I was gonna um, let's go. I was gonna stop out if I need to, like what I did here. Let's see. First I shorted. So when I rejected, you can see I was a little early actually. When I saw that it rejected this, I think it probably rejected 192. So I shorted it, but a little bit scary. That's why I stopped out above 192 because I don't want to I don't want to get squeezed. The volume at that time was actually pretty good. Let's look how much was the volume. Mm, 1 million. So 1 million. I like any volume that has a little over 1 million. Yeah, so I took it short. I stopped out at 192 because I thought it's gonna squeeze to 192 and go all the way to, when I saw that it really rejected that price and then I came in again, actually just right at the second candle, but it's showing that it's in the first candle, but at 9:31:01. Oh no, 9:30:39. So that was second short. Um, I took profit, and then out at 192 again. So that was the plan: get out at 192 if I'm gonna short 192. Um, the next one I did was, let's put this on top. Always on top. Okay. So the next one I did was re-shorted it really when it closed below 182. That's where my short is, 66.65. Really good short, taking profit. I was a little bit. I mean, my take profit here was only 10%, because I just want to take something out because I stopped twice because I thought it's going to reject VWAP. And eventually I added back in my share size. And then, yeah, I got the move. I thought I was going to get stopped. I was going to get stopped this, I think, I can't remember where my stop is, where my average cost is, but I thought I was going to get stopped. But eventually, it rejected VWAP and it closed below VWAP. Yeah, and it did the move that I want. Really good move. So I even added here because I was really hoping for a breakdown, um, to this 187.50. So I was aiming for this actually. I don't have any other levels there anymore. That's why I wanted a bigger move. So I was holding a few percentage of my shares, and it stopped me out of my break even. You have to do that. You have to respect your break even. After adding here, my stop was above VWAP because I thought it's going to reject VWAP. That's probably a good area to stop out. Yeah, so it looks like it's still weak. Yeah, so it's still weak. I think it's still going to go a little lower to maybe 188. Test this 188 because it rejected this 190, 124 a few times. I can't remember where I got this one. I've been drawing levels that sometimes I don't really know where I got it. Probably this. It's even thinner. Thinner means it's intraday. So thicker means probably major from previous days, major intraday level. Thinner is probably within the pre-market. So to remind myself it's thick or not. Yeah, so that's a really quick recap. I'll probably post a recorded live trade in a bit, so watch out for that. And then you'll see I'll record it from my phone because I just really want to show you how I trade live. And excuse my grunting and heavy, heavy breathing in there. So yeah, you guys check out my recorded live trade there using my mobile phone. Um, yeah, so if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and follow me in my social media accounts. I don't have my links here, but you know where to go. It's Ryan PDT for Instagram, Twitter. Yeah, Ryan PDT for YouTube. You can just subscribe and follow. Thank you so much. Oh, this is today's Friday, so it was a great week for me. I think I missed trading Monday. I'm not really sure. I can't really remember. I think I missed one day of trading, which is Monday. Everything was just Tesla for the full week. It was amazing. Liquidity is amazing. I love Tesla, but we don't know until when is this going to happen. So we'll probably move to other stocks if the volume is not there. Yeah, as long as there's volume, and good pre-market, that's what you should trade. Yeah, good. Have a good rest for the week, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Cheers.